Hi guys, I've got another unknown Euro cylinder in the vise today. This one's 5 pins, just taken almost at random out of the to-do pile you can see in the background there. So let's get stuck in. I'm going to use this go-so hook that's been kind of sanded down, pin side tension. Kind of feels almost like a challenge lock. You can feel stuff moving around, just putting the pick in there, which is a good sign. It should be good fun this. Okay, pin 3, pin 1, nice positive feedback. Overset something back there, just popped him up. Pin 5. Counter rotation on pin 3 to pin 2. Nothing on him. Pin 1 maybe. Let's go to the back again. Pin 4. Counter rotation on pin 2. Open on pin 5. Yeah, lots of spool type action going on in there. That was good fun. Okay, let's have a quick look at the pins. Be careful, because I don't have a key for this. So need to make sure there's a solid part at the bottom here of the core. Otherwise the pins will spring up into the slot if I get that lined up instead. Alright, key pins. Swap it round. Bear in mind that's back to front now. Okay, let's have a look at the drivers. Pin 1 is a serrated. Spool on pin 2. So spool on pin 3. Pin 4. And another spool on pin 5 there. I'm not going to bother with the springs. So yeah, they're all standard, I would think. The core looks, it's kind of filed slightly flat on the top there. It probably explains why it was quite an easy pick. Just zoom that in a bit for you. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.